see about functions of human resource management HRM in hospitals. So, let's first list down what are various different functions of HRM in any organization. They are policy formulation, staff function, procurement, development, integration, maintenance, personal information system, control, line function, compensation, records, research, directing and control. Most of these functions which I have listed here comes under four major groups. They are for policy formulation, staff function, line function, control and management. Let's see these functions in detail. What is policy formulation? So these are the set of rules formulated or designed by the top level management in consult with the human resource management personnel in achieving the goals of the organization. So what are the functions? What are the HRM's function in this policy formulation? They are the preparation of new policies and evaluating the current set of policies and their performance there and making amendments to the existing policy so that the personnel that employees requirement as well as the overall goals of the organizations are met. So what are the factors that affect the policy formulation? They are strategic plan and external environment. So strategic plan is how different work groups such as clinic, nurses, paramedicals, medicals are placed in their various different roles inside an organization. How can they be strategically placed so that the ultimate goal of the organization can be met? The organization, as I told you before in previous of all my videos, here in this course means hospital. And external environment, the community, the patient, the competitive hospitals also make a major impact on policy formulations. Okay, then comes staff functions. So line managers, so these are the managers who manage various different important functions in an hospital. So what are those important functions? Medical, paramedical, clinical, cleaning, for front end staffs, receptionists, etc. So line managers needs to get their advice from the human resource department. These and the what are the different problems these line managers, in turn the human resource development team who advises these line managers get is employees grievances such as distribution of overtime work, promotion transfer, disciplinary action, etc. And they also advise the line managers in time to time to take corrective objective decisions in legality issues also. Okay, what are the various different line functions? So line functions consists of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance of human resource organization, human resource management in an hospital environment to achieve the hospital goals. Candidates or so what are the various different line functions? Let's go through one by one. So first is procurement or recruitment. Candidates are usually selected through newspaper, professional journals, employment agencies and word of mouth from various different colleges and universities.